Apha kwi-intermolecular forces you need to understand okokuqala uba imolecule ipolar okanye non-polar. Xa ipolar imolecule, masithi umzekelo le molecule is polar nalena ipolar, so we will have ke ngoku ii-intermolecular forces esizibiza ngokuba zii-dipole forces. Ii-intermolecular forces ii-forces between two molecules, which means apha ke ngoku we have the intermolecular forces between two molecules. Kukho ii-intermolecular forces. Lithini ke ngoku igama le-intermolecular forces? If i-matter le nto it's a non-polar and non-polar, we have i-London forces, the induced dipole. But if it's polar nenye i-polar izoba yi-dipole forces. Okay, now funeka xa sijonge imolecule binjani. So masijonge le, umzekelo lena imolecule uyijongile leya inecala eli-negative kakhulu ibe necala eli-positive. Yintoni esiyijongayo? Electronegativity. Eka-chlorine electronegativity ngu-3,0, ke-hydrogen ngu-2,1. So ithetha ukuthi loo nto xa i-electronegativity ka-chlorine ingu-3,0, uchlorine une-strong pull kwii-bonding electrons, meaning that eli cala will be more negative. So sizoba no-negative kweli cala, partial negative, eli cala ke ngoku libe partially positive. So apha we have partially positive, then apha we have partially negative. So u-negative no-positive they attract each other. Negative no-positive, uyambona u-negative nalo positive they attract each other. So there is a force here, le siyikhangelayo. Then injani ke ngoku le molecule? Ngenxa yoba le molecule inecala eli-positive necala eli-negative, so this molecule is polar. This is a polar molecule. Why it is a polar molecule? Ii-electrons zistakhe lapho chlorine zinintsi lapho kunakweli cala. The electrons are shared but not equal. Sharing of electrons is not equal, unequal. So there is an unequal distribution of electrons. So this molecule is polar. So this molecule is polar as well as this one is polar. So the type of intermolecular forces, ngenxa yoba ii-poles ziyi-2, so sizothi it's a dipole. Ngenxa yoba ipolar le, dipole. Ngenxa yoba nalena ipolar, dipole. So just sibe no-dipole forces. Then we are done with that one. So ngu-dipole owokuqala, udipole ngowe-polar molecule yokuqala, udipole wesibini ngowe-polar molecule yesibini, because na two poles. Then let's check another example. Let's say you have a beaker here. The beaker is full of water. Then you add there the sodium chloride. You add the sodium chloride, which means zizotsalana with intermolecular forces eziphi. Let's start with sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is not a molecule, it is a salt. Sodium chloride, it is a salt ngenxa yoba ibond ephaa kudibene a metal nantoni ne-non-metal, which means the bond there is ionic bond, meaning that usodium chloride uzofomisha i-ion engu-sodium afomishe i-ion engu-chloride ion. Okay, so ithetha ukuthi ke ngoku le nto singakwazi ke ngoku phaa ukujonga. So this one is an ion, this one is an ion. Let's go to water. Water, that is H2O. Make ndimzobe nankuya u-H2O. Nanku H2O, water. Okay. Water, u-oxygen no-3,5 electronegativity, hydrogen 2,1, which means u-oxygen pulls ii-electrons to itself, i-bonding electrons, making this end to be partial negative. Then elicala ka-oxygen, hydrogen lizoba partially positive, which means water has two poles, which means it is a polar molecule. Ine-poles with more electrons, bene-pole with few electrons. It's a polar molecule. So remember, upolar una two poles, sithi dipole. So besinala ion phaa, ngoku sinale polar molecule, which means xa udibana phaa izawuba ion dipole forces. Ion dipole forces. Nantsiya, ion dipole forces. So ihamba kanjalo intermolecular forces. Funeka uqale wazi ke ngoku uba injani. Imolecule xa ipolar, dipole, nenye ipolar, dipole, which means xa zidibana dipole. Molecule i-dipole, ipolar, dipole. Then i-ion, that is ion chlorine, ion chloride, ion sodium ion. So ion no dipole, ion dipole. If you ion no non-polar, ion induced dipole.